and thank you so much for joining me. So this is the first proper video that I've done in quite a long time, and quite a simple one, to be honest. So today, there's one thing what really annoys me about my car, okay, and that is the boost gauge. It's a genuine HKS boost gauge, as you can see, but it's got intermittent light problems. The boost, it's not good at all. It goes from, it'll go to 0 and it'll fluctuate to 2, it'll peak out, and then it'll come all the way back down, and then it gets unresponsive. And the reason for this, if you look in the back of it, water has gone in and destroyed it basically. So it is a genuine HKS one, but I can't afford one of these. I was hoping, because I've got a universal one, I was hoping the plugs and everything would be the same or very similar, but they're completely different. But I'm hoping I can kind of use some of the wires just to make everything so much easier. So let's have a look at the loom and let's see what we can do. Alright, so here are the wires. I believe this one is the power, because you've got black and red, and then you've got the yellow and the orange. Now on the other one I know it's black, red, and I think it's orange and white, so maybe we can do something with that. However, there's absolutely loads, but looks like only 3 of the wires are actually doing anything, which is the exact same on the other one. I only need 3 wires. This one, as you can see, is absolutely disgusting. It's covered in rust. That's probably why it's not working right. So other than needing to fix some leaking issues with this car, I believe I only need these 3 wires, so I might be able to just cut and just put my new one in. So let's have a look at the new gauge, and let me show you where all this actually goes to, so you can do it yourself. Alright, so this is the new boost gauge. It goes all the way up to 3 bar, which I really don't need that, but it seems to be quite a well made one. I've put it in, tied it in at the back. So this is what I mean by the, so this is meant to go to the power, oh no, sorry, the sensor. It's got 3 wires, and this is what I mean. If you look at this one, that's got 3 wires as well, but it's a completely different plug, and this one's a power one. And if you look at the power, when I can find it, there it is, that's also got 4 wires. So we might be able to do something with this. I'll show you how they're put in originally. Pop the bonnet, well, not originally, but the HKS one. The car, when I bought it, had the HKS one in it. Alright, so this here is the sensor for the HKS one. As you can see, if you can see it in there, the 3 wires will go into there, connects via boost pipe. There you go, that's all it is really. So I think I will change this, because it looks a bit of a state, if I'm honest. I might be able to just connect it all in, but we'll see. It might be easier if I keep this in and then just do the other one as and when. Okay, so let's get into wiring. Alright, so I've done a 2 birds 1 stone kind of issue. There was all this tucked up under there, so what I've done, I've got rid of it all, worked out what everything is, and I've put them to these. So this is ignition, powered by the red one. This is live from the battery, and that's earth at that end. Okay, so everything's plumbed in. Now I haven't shown you doing it because there was a lot to it, and I just wanted to concentrate. I couldn't use the existing wiring, I've had to use the new one. So this is the power supply. The white one isn't connected as per the instructions. This doesn't make sense, but anyway, so it goes through, goes under there. Obviously these will all be covered up. So you've got the ignition wire in there. So the orange wire said to go to ACC, the red one to constant live, and then the black one to earth. Now the sensor wiring That's all the way in there. Let me just show you. So it's all plugged in there. So I've had to put the new one on and connect obviously the boost up and whatnot. That came through a hole in the bulkhead, you can see there. Connected it all up. It was red to red, black to black, and orange to green. So really simple, to be honest. So as you can see, I'm going to be putting this all back together now. But start it up. Goes to 0. It works as it should. I've already tested it. I've already tested the peak, well, the limit kind of thing. It's really good. And then it's shutting off. Goes like that. That looks quite good. So I'm going to put it all back in, like so, and then tidy all this up. I'll have some stuff for sale, such as HKS boost controller and stuff which I've taken out at the same time. If anybody knows what this is, please let me know. Surely somebody's got one somewhere. This also comes with it. I have no idea what it is. So yeah, please let me know what it is. Yeah, I'll just carry on doing this, put everything together, and I'll show you the finishing product. Alright, so everything's in. As you can see, it's all up, it's secured, if you can see that. And then under here now, it's tidied up so much more. It was absolutely unbelievable before, and when I took the cover down, it all just dropped down here. I need to get rid of this as well. So yeah, guys, that's how you put a boost gauge in. Just remember, it goes from there to power and then to the sensor at the back. You will get instructions with it, but these really didn't make any sense. This is the part we're looking at, and it's, yeah, that doesn't make sense to me. Okay, so hope you've enjoyed it. This is what I've been doing for today. See you all later.